Everyday English Essentials.
Welcome to Everyday English Essentials. Today, we're exploring an essential topic. Common workplace expressions. In this lesson, you'll learn practical vocabulary and simple phrases that will help you communicate more effectively in an English-speaking work environment. Whether you're starting a new job, collaborating with coworkers, or simply aiming to feel more confident at work, this lesson is just what you need. Let's start with some basic expressions you often hear at work. Section 1. Basic workplace expressions.
These are simple and commonly used phrases you'll often hear in the workplace. Learning them will help you understand others more easily and take part in conversations with confidence. Good morning. How's everything going? Could you give me a hand with this? Can you send me the file when you're done? Let's schedule a quick meeting. I'll take care of it. Appreciate your help. Now, let's see how these phrases are used in real-life conversations.
Hey Josh, do you have a moment?
Yeah, what's up?
Can you send me the file when you're done editing it? I need to review it before the meeting.
No problem. I'm almost done, should be ready in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. I'll wait for it. Thanks so much.
Anytime.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
Morning.
Emma. How's everything going?
Things are going okay. I'm just wrapping up a few tasks, but I'm a bit stuck with the presentation slides.
Oh really? Do you need help with it?
Yes, actually. Could you give me a hand with this chart? It's not coming out right.
Of course. Let me just finish this email, then I'll come over.
Thanks, David. Really appreciate your help.
By the way, let's schedule a quick meeting this afternoon to go over next week's deadlines.
Works for me. What time were you thinking?
I'm free after 2 p.m.
Perfect. Let's do 2:30 then.
Got it. I'll take care of sending the invite.
Thanks, David. Appreciate your help.
Section 2. Talking about tasks.
At work, it's important to know how to talk about what you're doing, and how to ask about someone else's tasks. Let's look at some simple, everyday ways to do that. I'm working on the report. He's fixing the computer. She's preparing for the meeting. We're finishing the project. They're sending the emails. Now, let's listen to a few short conversations where these phrases are used naturally.
Morning, team. How's everything going? Are we on track for the 3 p.m. meeting?
Good morning. Yes, I think so. I'm working on the report summary right now. It should be ready in about an hour.
Great. I just spoke with IT. James is fixing the computer in the conference room. It froze again this morning.
Oh no, not again. That computer always acts up right before big meetings.
Tell me about it. Anyway, thanks for checking, Noah. How about Sophia? What's she up to?
She's preparing for the meeting slides and finalizing the budget numbers. She said she'd join us here in a bit.
Perfect. And we're finishing the project timeline together, right?
Yep. I've already drafted the outline. Once you're done with the summary, let's review it together. Oh, and by the way, they're sending the emails to confirm the client's attendance. Should be done soon.
Awesome. It's great to see everything coming together.
I agree. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Hey Alex, do you have the updated design draft?
Not yet, just putting the final touches on it. Can you give me about 10 more minutes?
Sure. Can you send me the file when you're done?
Absolutely. I'll email it right after I finish.
Thanks. Also, let's schedule a quick meeting this afternoon to review everything with the team.
Sounds good. How about 2:30?
Perfect. I'll send out the invite. Oh, and could you double-check the layout on page 3?
No problem. I'll take care of it right after I send the file.
Appreciate your help, Alex.
Anytime.
Section 3. Asking for help.
At work, knowing how to politely ask for help or offer help to others is very important. It shows teamwork, respect, and a willingness to support one another. Here are some useful phrases you can use in everyday situations. Can you help me with this? Do you need any help? Let me help you. I can take care of it. Thanks for your help. Let's listen to some short conversations, so you can see how these expressions are used in real life.
Hey Mark, are you okay? You look kind of stressed.
Yeah. I'm really behind on this monthly report. It's due at 3 p.m., and I still have a few sections to finish.
That's a lot. Can you use some help with this?
Actually, yes. Can you review the numbers in the finance section for me? I want to make sure they're accurate.
Sure, I've got about 20 minutes before my next meeting. Let me help you with that.
Thank you so much, Lena. I was getting a bit overwhelmed.
No problem at all. We are a team, right? Let's get this done together.
Absolutely. Thanks for your help, I really appreciate it.
Morning, Julia. Wow, your room is covered in papers.
Morning, Tina. Yeah. I've got a full day ahead, 3 meetings before lunch and over 50 emails waiting.
That sounds rough. Do you need any help with something?
Honestly? If you could handle replying to the client follow-ups from yesterday, that would save me a ton of time.
I can take care of it. Just forward the emails to me.
Really? That'd be great. I was worried I wouldn't make it to the team meeting prepared.
Don't worry. I've got it covered. We've all had days like this.
Thanks so much, Tina. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime. We are a team.
Section 4. Talking about meetings and schedules.
Meetings are a regular part of the workday, so it's helpful to know some simple phrases to ask about them and discuss your schedule. For example, you can ask, when is the meeting? Or say, the meeting is at 2 p.m. If you're talking about your availability, you might say, I'm available after lunch, or suggest, let's meet tomorrow. When joining a virtual meeting, you could say, I'll join the call. Now, let's listen to how these expressions are used in everyday conversations at work.
Please fix this, then let me know.
I'll do it now.
Hey, Alex. When is the team meeting this week?
It's scheduled for Thursday at 2 p.m.
I'm not free then. I have a client call at that time.
No problem. I'm available after lunch on Friday.
That works for me too. Let's meet tomorrow after lunch, then.
Sounds good. I'll send out an updated invite and join the call from the office.
Perfect. Thanks, Alex.
Lisa. When is the meeting?
The meeting is at 2 p.m. Are you available then?
I'm available after lunch, so that works.
Great. Let's meet tomorrow too to finish the report.
Sure. I'll join the call today and see you tomorrow in person.
Great work so far, you've learned how to talk about tasks, help, and meetings. Now, let's have a little fun. How do we politely talk about problems at work?
Section 5. Talking about problems politely.
Sometimes, things don't go as planned at work, and it's helpful to know how to talk about problems in a polite and simple way. You can say things like, "There's a problem with the printer. My computer isn't working. We're out of paper. I'm having trouble with the internet. Let's fix it together." Now, let's listen to a few friendly conversations where people handle small problems at work with calm and cooperation.
Oh no, there's a problem with the printer again. It just stopped printing halfway through my report.
Let me take a look. I think it's not jammed. But wait, we are out of paper too. No wonder it stopped.
Seriously? That's the third time this week. Didn't we restock yesterday?
I thought we did, but maybe we forgot to bring the box to the printer room.
We should definitely keep an extra pack nearby next time. This keeps happening when we are in a rush.
Agreed. I'll go grab some paper now so you can finish your report.
Ugh, my computer isn't working again. It froze while I was writing a long email to our client. I didn't even hit save.
That's so frustrating. I'm having trouble with the internet too. None of the websites are loading, and my call just dropped.
Sounds like it's not just my computer then. Maybe the whole network is acting up today.
Possibly. Let's not waste time waiting. Let's fix it together. I'll restart the router, and you can try rebooting your system.
Good idea. Hopefully that gets everything back on track. Thanks for helping out, Jack.
No problem. We've all been there.
Today, you learned how to use simple English at work. We covered basic workplace expressions, talking about tasks, asking for and offering help, discussing meetings and schedules, and politely talking about problems. Now you can confidently use common workplace expressions in everyday English. Keep practicing and keep learning. It gets easier every day. Thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Essentials for more lessons. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like next. See you in the next video.